If for big brands, they're going to be doing big quantity, they'll always use the same fabric. But here in Saigon Printer, they do 8 colors. So here's 4 different additional colors that give you a larger color profile. So we're in a sublimation printing factory. This is the design room. We work with Cheng, and once she understands what you want, whether you could send her files or drawings or a tech pack, and then she will then work with the Adobe Illustrator experts who will then, basically he's preparing the files to be fed into the digital printing machines. And talking about colors, here's an example of a Pantone color book.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. Look, I mean, there's multiple kinds of blacks. Yeah, it's crazy.
So yeah, you have all look the same to me.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. But at the end of the day, you choose one.
Yes.
And these guys are experts at, if this is the black you choose, they have to set everything up on the digital printing so that when it eventually gets printed onto the fabric, it matches the Pantone color that you chose.
Yes.
And how the software, the fabric, and the inks work together to get the final result are different.
Yeah.
Depending on the inks that you use, inks from China, inks from Italy, fabric from Germany, fabric from Vietnam or China, different yarns and fibers we were talking about earlier. And then how the technicians set up the files. If for big brands, they're going to be doing big quantity, they'll always use the same fabric. The brand will choose that particular yellow, and Cheng and her team, they have to match to that particular yellow.
Okay.
It's massively challenging. But I mean, experts like Cheng and the team, they do it all the time, so they can do it easily and quickly. If you're new to the game, be forgiving and don't be so picky about the colors, and things can move quickly. And as the more you learn about this, the more you work with them, the more you understand how it works. And if you become more and more particular about your brand color, for example, you can start to be more strict.
Yes.
And they will be able to follow your exact color requirements. So this is what we call a large format digital printer. I think it has 8 print heads in that black box that's going back and forth. And I think this is called marker print.
Okay.
So this will be then the ink will transfer from the paper to the fabric.
Yes.
And then they will cut the fabric, and you got your panels.
Yeah.
So it's like you're achieving multiple steps.
Yes.
The marker, the panel, the pattern, the marker, and the printing in just a 2-step process.
Okay.
Yeah, it's called dye sublimation heat transfer. Earlier we were talking about the RGB, which is on the computer screens.
Yes.
And here you can see CYMK. This is the standard 4 colors that give you a very big color spectrum, color profile. But here in Saigon Printer, they do 8 colors. So here's 4 different additional colors that give you a larger color profile. So yeah, Saigon Printer is very professional, and whatever exact color you need, they can match it.